Express 3.87 repeating as the ratio of integers. Well, 3.87 repeating looks like this. The 87 with the line over it here, that means that it gets repeated over and over and over like this. And that pattern will continue. Well, the way to solve a problem like this is to set x equal to the thing that we want to express as the ratio of integers, which is 3.878787. And first thing we do is we multiply both sides of this by 10 raised to the power, which tells you how many digits are repeating. Well, there are two digits here, namely 8 and 7, which are repeating. So we're going to multiply both sides of this by the 10 squared power. Well, 10 squared is 100. So when we multiply the left-hand side of the equation by 100, we simply get 100x. And when we multiply the right-hand side of the equation by 100, well, multiplying by 100 is the same as taking this decimal point and moving it over 2. We will get 387.87878787, etc. Now, the reason this is done is what we can do effectively here is draw a line here and think of one equation being subtracted from another. So you can think of this as the first equation minus the second equation. So when you do so, you will have 100x minus 1x, and that turns out to be 99x. And you get 387.878787 minus 3.878787. Notice that everything to the right of the decimal point is going to vanish, right? All of that goes away when you subtract one equation from the next equation. So you are left with just 387 minus 3, and 387 minus 3 is 384. So finally, when you solve for x, x will be equal to 384 divided by 99. And I got that either by dividing both sides of this equation by 99 or multiplying both sides of this equation by 1/99. Either way is fine. Now this right here is not in lowest terms. It turns out that both the numerator and the denominator are multiples of 3, and because they're multiples of 3, you can take 99 divided by 3, and that'll give you 33. Then you can take 384 divided by 3, and that will give you 128. So the question asks for expressing 3.87 repeating as the ratio of integers, and the answer is if you take 128 and divide it by 33, and you should try that on your calculator to see if you in fact get this, you will get 3.878787, etc. And that is the trick up here that leads you to taking a repeating decimal and writing it as a ratio of integers.